Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see about the market structure and what is meant by pullback. Because pullback is the very basic sense we have to find out in the market. Why I am saying is because we peoples and many peoples are trading in the market structure or what is called it's a smart money concept, institutional trading concept, whatever it may be. The basic thing we have to see is the market structures. In that market structure only we may draw the supply zone, demand zone or anything else. So first thing we have to identify is the pullback. Why I am showing this means just have a look in the gold chart. It's a 15-minute chart. Just I mark the high and low. Wait a minute. It's a horizontal line. It's the highest point here and it's the lowest point here, right? In this structure we say this is lower high and this is lower low because market in the sell trend. If you don't means lower high and lower low means just we are in the process to making the video in structure mapping. In that we will clearly let you know what is mean by higher high, higher low or lower high, lower low. That okay. So now see, this is the lower high and this is the lower low. So in between only market is moving for past from April 23 to still now. So if we fail to identify the market structure with the help of pullback means we may lose the money because in between we may mark this is a supply zone or this is a demand zone like that, right? So we may fail. So first thing we have to do the main thing is to identify the proper pullback. So what is pullback? In a buy trend or sell trend, we have to first identify the impulsive and corrective move of the market. What is mean by impulsive move? Just see in buy trend, the green line is stated going high. Then there is a sudden corrections. So this green line is impulsive, this red line is corrective move. So same as in sell trend, the red line is impulsive and green line is corrective move. So let's see with the candlesticks. So just this is the pullback. We have to remember that I will show clearly in the chart. That will be helpful to identify that you make a try. Okay. So there are two types of pullbacks in the market. So first thing is candlesticks patterns, and second pullback is by swing, higher high, higher low, or lower high or lower low. Just whatever. It's an external thing. Okay. So how we find out the pullback in the candlestick pattern? This is the basic thing we have to do first. Then we go for the swing. Okay. So this is the first candle I am pointing out here. In buy trend, it's an impulsive move, right? So it's going high. So in buy trend, first candle is here. The high was broken. Then this is the second candle forming here, right? So this low was not break here. That second candle low was not break by the first candle low was not break by the second candle. So what we have to do, just wait for the pullback is happen. Is going to happen. So next see in the third candle, the second candle low was broken. So we have to mark this is a pullback. So how we draw like this. Okay. So this is the basic thing we have to identify in the pullback. Just I will show you how to trace the candlestick pullback, right? This is the bank nifty chart, 5 minutes I taken. Just we draw the pullback. Okay. Play. Let's see. This is the first candle. Okay. Just I mark it here. This is green candle is the first candle. So in this bullish move, the candle should break the low. Okay. So otherwise, it's an impulsive move. Let's see what will happen in the market. Okay. Next candle break the high, but it doesn't break the low. Then third candle, what will happen? It's break the previous candle low, right? So this is the valid pullback. Okay. So how can we mark it? Just go for next candle. Okay. So how we mark this pullback? Just market goes like this and come back. So this is the valid pullback. Okay. We mark this high and low for our clear confirmations. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Two candle formed in between the green candle, right? High low. So in this case, we shouldn't mark this as high and this is low and this high is broken like that. So this is the totally wrong marking of pullback. Okay, we have to wait the first candle high or low should be broken. So until there is no pullback, it's a common thing happen here. Okay. Okay. See now what happened. So until this candle high and low are protected. So this is a single candle pullback like this. Okay. So like this, we have to first find out the candlestick pullback. Then we have to identify the external high and low. Here, let's see. This candle low was not broken. This candle low was broken. So this pullback is going like this. So it's an impulsive move. Then what market is doing? It's going in a sell side. So in sell side, the high is the lower high is very strong. So market should break the lower high until it's not a pullback in candlestick as well as the swing. Okay. So now what the market is doing here, the low was broken. So here market will break the high. So this is the valid pullback. We have to mark like this. Okay. So this is the pullback of swing. So how we identify in this? Just I take the chart of gold. Okay. So I mark from here. These two candles are inside the red candle. So this shouldn't be a valid pullback, right? So next what happened? Market comes down and this low was not broken. It's protected. So candles going like this. So when this low was broken, it's considered as a swing pullback. Otherwise, whatever happened inside, it's an internal structure. Okay. So already this swing is in the internal side. Just for marking, I'm showing that we have to find the clear structure. So like this, it wanna be go, but we have to remember in mind this is the high and this is the low. In between, whatever happened is an internal. Okay. So with this help of the candlesticks and swing pullback, we can find the market structure. Okay. So next video we going to see about the market structure in detail. Thanks for watching.